Meaning of geese.
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 Geese. Geese refers to a type of waterfowl that are commonly found in North America and Europe. They are known for their long necks, webbed feet, and loud honking calls. Geese can be domesticated and used for their feathers, meat, or eggs. In the wild, they are known to migrate long distances in large flocks. They are also considered symbols of loyalty, determination, and teamwork. Overall, geese are fascinating creatures that have captured the attention and admiration of humans throughout history.